Hey, Caleb Garcia here with McKinney Volkswagen. I wanted to introduce a new service that we're going to roll out for our service customers and for everybody out there. It's called World Class Service Valet. This is a program to where if you need a repair or maybe even just maintenance done on your vehicle, that we're going to have an appointment set for you for us to come to you and deliver a loaner car. We'll pick your vehicle up, bring it back here to the shop. Once we have it at the shop, we'll shoot a video and assess that vehicle for you by a certified technician. When you approve all the work that needs to be done, or maybe just some of it that you'd like to get done, then we'll take care of that service for you and bring your vehicle back to you and swap out the loaner car. Man, we're really excited about this program. We'd like to invite you to take advantage of it with your Volkswagen or any make and model vehicle you have.